Hi guys, it's Gareth from Silent Push, and I'd like to show you how to use our free community edition to obtain a list of TXT records for a specific domain. So as we all know, TXT records provide information about a domain's configuration and ownership. So we're talking email addresses, contact information, and other security related data. Why they're useful? For a few reasons. TXT records can be used to verify ownership of a domain, to authenticate email messages, or to provide info about security postures, including sender policy frameworks and DMARC policies. So to look up TXT records, you can either navigate to explore DNS data, explore indicator DNS data, and run a TXT query for a domain, or there's a dedicated query under explore DNS data, domain TXT records. We're going to use that one, and we're going to use google.com as an example. Click search. Here we have 12 TXT records associated with google.com. You can arrange this data by type, TXT hash, first seen, last seen, answer, query. You can filter. If you mouse over the answer, that gives you the actual record. You can also view the raw data, as with any other query, and copy it to the clipboard. So to pivot through the results, we're going to perform a reverse TXT record lookup on the first result. So left click, reverse TXT, lookup passive DNS, and that's going to give us all domains associated with the TXT record that we used. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Any questions, feel free to email info@silentpush.com or check out our knowledge base at help.silentpush.com. Thanks very much. Take care.